creation of this universe is a confusing mystery even today with most advanced instruments and technology. How this universe is created and from where? Like many other such questions, this is also answered by ancient Hindu literature. Shiva Samhita, a highly revered book for disciples of Yoga Marga, that is yogis, has clear step-by-step narration from Lord Shiva, the author of Samhita. The evolution described has astonishing perfection and similarity with what NASA has found using space vehicles. Lord Shiva, the author of such Samhita, is considered to be the god of all gods and also the final guru of all sciences, including yoga. His description in different literature is quite mysterious. He has 3 eyes, Trinetra, and has 5 heads, Panchana. In addition, he wears serpents on his body and uses ash to rub on his body. He is the most powerful of all gods, and still the calmest one. After initial description on mythological aspects, in 76th verse, Shiva Samhita describes the generation or creation of the universe. Brahmate shato yati tata abhasate navah tasmat prakashate vayu ragnistato. It says, initially from the god's part, sky was developed. From there, gases or vayu was developed. And from gases, Agni was developed. The sequence of generation of 5 different elements is quite astonishing. As we know, the vayu or gases are still available as nebula, the mother of all stars, and it is visible even today in the sky, producing other stars. Surprisingly, there is another stotra in which the same is repeated. A famous stotra called Mahimna has a line, Bahula Rajase Vishwotpatto Bhavaya Namo Namah. It means, O Lord of creation, we pray you who produced the world from a great cloud of dust or gases, which is visible as nebula even today. Now comes the third element, the Agni or fire. It describes that combination of gases produced fire. It is hard to believe that even centuries before, how could they think of combination of gases only could produce fire? Because archaeologically, they should be producing fire by rubbing stones at that time. The concept is well understood now, as the video shows that most powerful fire, next to nuclear blast, is produced for launching space vehicles or space shuttles using combination of hydrogen and oxygen, which are available as gases in nature. The striking and even more astonishing support comes from the code used by Indians for Lord Surya or Sun God. The fact we now know that Sun consists of hydrogen and helium was probably known to them. The 7 chakras in yoga have a specific symbolic letter. The letter Hum is used for Vayu or gas, which lies at the throat level. Hum is also described as Nabhiswara or the sound of center. In mythology, another letter of paramount importance is Ram, a symbol of fire or Agni element. The shloka recited to praise sun is Ram Rim Ram Suryaya Namaha. O Lord Sun, we pray you as you are in Ram Rim Ram form, clearly indicating the combination of gas, that is Hum, and fire, that is rum, in three forms. Addition of each vowel indicates different form of basic gas, probably hydrogen, helium, and oxygen, forming the sun. The second part of shloka tells how the water was formed. That also fits the above theory. Watch the next video to know more.